Hello guys, see again with Way Car Channel. This time there is new news about Toyota Sienna 2018. Before, do not forget press subscribe button guys. To the extent we can tell, Toyota needs you to think about its Sienna as the Jay-Z of minivans. Like HOV on the tune Otis, Toyota guarantees the Sienna has its swagger back, a similar swagger it was asserted to have in the fairly commendable Swagger Wagon promotion battle from quite a while prior. The makeover really began a year ago, when the Sienna's 266 HP V6 motor and 6-speed programmed transmission were binned for another 296 HP 3.5-liter V6 motor combined with an 8-speed programmed. The blend helped raise the front-wheel drive Sienna's efficiency by 1 mpg in the city and 2 mpg on the expressway to 1927 mpg, while the all-wheel drive show saw increments of 2 mpg city and 1 mpg interstate to 1824 mpg. With 30 additional horses and 2 more apparatuses, the Sienna's speeding up, obviously, enhanced also. We saw the run to 60 mph fall by 0.3 second, to 7.0 seconds level. Notwithstanding these vital mechanical changes, however, the 2017 Sienna appeared to be no unique from its 2016 partner. For 2018, Toyota has fitted another nose that aligns its prevalent individuals movers styling more with whatever is left of the brand's lineup. Observable changes incorporate bigger and reshaped grille openings. All Sienna models now get the flared side ledges that were beforehand saved for the sportier SE variation. More vital, however, is the expansion of a large group of new security and innovation highlights. Each Sienna now comes standard with robotized crisis braking, versatile voyage control, a path takeoff cautioning framework that can consequently direct the van once again into its path, and programmed high-pillar headlights. Moreover, each of the 2018 Siennas come outfitted with Toyota's most recent Entune 3.0 sight and sound interface and Toyota's App Suite Connect, which offers an application-based route framework. Entune is accessible in 3 evaluations, the least level of which is constrained to the base Sienna L. Climbing to the LE, SE, and XLE trims conveys Entune 3.0 Audio Plus to the table, which includes Wi-Fi availability that permits up to 5 gadgets to be associated with the van's 4G LTE range. At last, Entune 3.0 Premium comes standard on the highest point of the line Limited, and is accessible on the SE and XLE, bringing an overhauled stereo and an in-dash route framework that can persistently refresh its guide to represent the most recent land changes and course data. Other little updates to the Sienna incorporate an accessible Encompass C screen on limited models outfitted with the Premium bundle and a backseat excitement framework now equipped for gushing video from Android gadgets. Toyota wasn't prepared at distribution time to discuss the van's discounted date or cost, however we anticipate that the refreshed van will strut into showrooms near the finish of the year with just a little knock in MSRP. In all honesty, we don't know whether the Sienna at any point had swagger in any case, yet with substantial rivalry from the Chrysler Pacifica and an all-new Honda Odyssey coming soon, the Sienna's re-examined looks and included tech should give Toyota's more seasoned contender a superior shot against more up-to-date contenders. That's news about Toyota Sienna 2018. Thank you for watching. Do not forget likes and subscribe guys. Meet again the next news. Have a good day.